Oh, it's for Annie. Oh my goodness, for Annie's in the slammer.
She's not in the slammer.
At least she'll get a gift out of it.
Where's the other envelope?
Oh, there's one.
Okay.
Let's see.
You did a nice job of wrapping.
Uh-huh.
I have mine. I have my one. You open it. I'll be it soon. Remember your grandma? We always used to rest.
Oh, Grandpa might need a scissors.
Yeah, I don't think my fingernails are going to do it.
Yeah, that's good. I think it's good too. Oh, he got it.
Oh, we have it. Uh-oh. For Annie? This is for Annie? What is this?
No, look at what's on the back.
Wait.
Oh my God!
Terrific.
Oh, now my friends are really going to think I'm nuts.